Guys, we're here at Conrad. So, manonood kami ng Fire Musical. And kaya kami nag-book dito dahil doon. Pero yung room namin is hindi pa rin na siya front doon sa Fire Musical. Pero ang ginawa namin is nagpunta na lang kami doon sa may Mason and nag-book kami doon sa restaurant. Buti na lang may available pa. If you are planning to watch the Fire Musical show here sa Mall of Asia, grabe, sobrang fully book na lahat ng mga restaurant and ang hirap makahanap ng spot. Tapos parang hindi sila nag-accept ng mga reservation kasi yun nga, puno rin kasi yung front area, yung parang pinaka-front area doon na view yung fireworks display. Back to the story. And dito kasi sa Conrad is madami namang available na rooms kaya lang sobrang mahal din as of now kasi nga because of the Fire Musical. And meron din dun sa may Lanson Hotel. Maganda rin sana doon kaya lang wala na ring available na room na malapit din yung view. And sana doon, mas mura kasi doon eh. And ang ganda kasi ng view kasi gitna talaga. Yun yung pinaka-okay na hotel for the Fire Musical. And then maraming restaurant doon sa baba. Kaya lang grabe guys, ang mamahal. Meron silang consumables talaga and hindi pa kasama yung ticket. So yun, sobra. Kasi before, nanood din kami ng Fire Musical. Pero doon kami sa doon sa area doon, sa may labas lang. Eh, nakakaano rin kasi sobrang parang hindi maganda yung view. Anyways, mag-room tour tayo kahit medyo makalat na yung aming room. And ito is, ano ba yung room namin? Parang 2 twin bed. So, ayan, makalat na kasi kanina pa kami dito. Tapos, ayan, ang dami na namin biniling pagkain. Nagutom na kami lahat. So, we are waiting na lang na pumunta dun sa restaurant na pina-reserve namin. Buti nga nakaabot pa eh kasi meron pa siyang available slot. Yung Hard Rock Cafe. So, ayun, marami din dun na mga restaurant. Kaya lang, talagang fully booked na guys. So, paswertehan na lang ang labanan. Anyways, this is our room. So, look at the view. Wait lang. So, this is the view from our room. And ayan, as you can see, full view. So, meron naman siyang konting bay view. Kaya lang, it's a partial view only. Kaya hindi masyadong kita yung fireworks later. Kasi dun siya sa may gitna. And dito sa Conrad kasi, parang hindi siya ganun kagitna yung area or location. So, mas maganda sa Lanson and other hotels pa doon. So, yun, sa mga restaurant pa doon. So, ito naman yung view. And of course, mas magaganda yung view doon sa may gitna. Kaya lang, mas mahal doon feeling ko. Kaya, ito lang yung afford natin eh. Ano lang tayo, low-key, charot. So, yun na nga guys. Pupunta na lang kami doon sa restaurant na pinag-reservan namin para makakapanood na rin kami ng Fire Musical ng medyo okay yung view. Meron din naman dito sa Conrad, meron silang area na viewing area doon sa lobby. Kaya lang, parang hindi siya super, kita. I mean, di super gitna. Kaya yun, let's try kung okay ba yung view doon sa Hard Rock Cafe. So, let's go guys! We're going to the restaurant area. So,
Mommy's thingy is so jiggly. Mommy, my toes still hurts, Mommy. It still hurts. Can you please shut up? It is true. We'll go to the mall. We'll go to the mall. Oh yeah, we're going to the freaking mall.
we're going to the secret door. And here is the secret door going to the Mason. O, diba? Sobrang...
Can we go back to the... Mommy, can we go? Can you see again the...
And here is the Mason Mall.
We're gonna go back to
Just
Fully
beside
Booked.
the
No, we're just gonna
Conrad.
check. Then you
So,
check
diba?
the door.
There's a secret door.
There's one here. Yeah, that's one.
Kanina.
Tatlohan din ako ulit. Tatlohan din.
What's that? Yung pinaka na.
Can we buy it?
What size mo? Size 8. Sige na.
Then we like... Guilty. Even though mommy didn't do this, I still see her double chin. Mommy's very
Kulit.
I still see mommy's double chin even though. Oh, that's for the eyes.
Huh?
That's for the eyes. When? Which one? Which one? The girl, the other girl, and the beam. Yeah, I can see so her. Yeah, I don't remember her face. She's the kind person. Yeah, the kind judge. Quiet.
Lola. Saan ba tayo?
Can we eat matcha? Kami, nagigigil ako sa'yo.
Why?
I'll close my eyes so don't bump anything. Especially the...
Ano ba, Aray?
Si Ate Milky kasi.
So,
Don't let me bump anything.
Next time, hindi mo sapatos yan. Barbie pa sapatos.
ayaw mo na, ganyan baby pa yan.
No, it still fits. I just wanted to make it like that. Look at this. Look at this. Wait, stop. Look. It's not funny. Close your eyes
funny
again.
na. It's not funny. Ano ba, Scarlett?
I'm taking mommy's back. She's so mean.
No, I'm not mean. Ouch,
Ano
your
nga?
ear.
Ow, it's my ear. Sorry, ano ba? Ano ba yung ano?
Yeah, basta.
It's not funny.
It's not funny.
Why is your t-shirt?
Aba, meron na naman doon. Ang cute. Parang hinahabol ka ng ano eh. Aray. Tapos pwedeng lumabas. Saan yung pinaka ano? Eto, pwede naman. Ano?